supposed to drink from the hole.
You drink from wherever. You motherfuckers fuck my shoes up.
That ain't happening. I ain't doing it. I smell like beer now. Now I gotta go home and take a shower.
Yeah, I smell like beer too. I'm gonna have to wash my
That's not how it's supposed to go, you guys.
This is how it usually goes.
Let's see like a pro.
This is like a pro.
These niggas are still sipping too. This is supposed to be a shotgun. These motherfuckers are sipping this shit.
Oh, nigga.
You want one of those poop it?